In today's video, I'm going to do something with the Pitts & Spitz hybrid that I haven't done before. I haven't used it yet, so we're going to do it for the very first time today. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So here is the firebox for the Pitts & Spitz hybrid. And as you see, this top lid will let back, and right under that is a 1/4 inch steel plate. I'm going to be doing Oklahoma onion burgers, one of my favorite burgers. Doing that for me and my wife's supper. I've got it preheating now. You might be able to see that. And right now, all I got in here is no wood. That is just the gas assist. There's the gas. That's just the gas burning. And I'm going to see if I can get all the way up to 350 degrees on this plate. Right now, I've got about 100 degrees to go. And if I can't make it, then I will put a log or two on there to get it up to temp. I'll let you know here shortly. All right, I've got my meatballs here. We're gonna place one here. We'll back this one off just a tad. A little kosher salt. A little black pepper. Time to press. A lot of people think you're pushing out the juice, and you're not, because the fat hasn't started liquefying yet. There is some fat that's right there on the surface, but everything on the inside is still solidified. So you're not pressing out anything. Matter of fact, these are always very juicy. Take some onions. I slice them on a mandolin to get them really thin. You can put however many you like. I like a lot of them. They cook down, and I love cooked onions. Take and give them another press. Try to embed those onions into the meat somewhat. Like that. And you do want to season your onions. Just a little bit of kosher salt. Don't take much. A little bit more cracked black pepper. All right, I will let them go until I see the signs that I think it's time to flip them. You'll start seeing it bubble up in between the meat in places, and we're not even close just yet. It's probably gonna be 2 or 3 minutes. And so, you know, I've already done 2 of these for my wife. Oh yeah, that's not bad. That's not bad at all. That looks good, actually. When it sticks like that, you know it's got good results. Oh, that's wonderful. Yeah. Getting a little crisp on some of those onions. That's exactly what you're wanting. Now, the bottom of the meat will be steamed from the onions. To finish it off, we're gonna take these buns. We're gonna stack them right here on top of the meat. We're gonna steam them buns to make them really soft, just like that. A couple more minutes, we'll put it together. All right, this is smelling good, my goodness. Let's take these lids off. Flip them over. Look at all that juice. Gonna be fantastic. Now, 4 pickles on each one. These are Boar Heads pickles. We absolutely love these things. I really love anything that Boar Heads makes. Excellent products. Not sponsored, just something we like. And just mustard. Now, this is the way original onion burgers were done. You can add cheese if you like. You can use whatever condiments you like. I like them just like this. All right, let's do a taste. All right, my wife's probably already eaten hers. Now it's time for me, but I just want to give you a taste that I'm going to eat. I don't know how well you can see that. But that is one juicy burger. It's still piping hot too. It is some kind of hot out here today, guys. Oh, so good. If you have never had an Oklahoma onion burger, you've got to try it. If you don't like onions, you're not gonna like it. But if you like onions, you're gonna absolutely love this. I promise you, so juicy. For anyone out there that says that smashing that burger gets the juice out, you have no idea what you're talking about. Prove it to yourself. Like I said earlier, you smash it while it's cold. The fat's still solidified in it. Some fat will come out on the surface, but I promise you, it's extremely juicy. Just use 80-20 ground beef and you'll be impressed. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I did show you another use for the Pits and Spits hybrid smoker. This thing is bad to the bone. Hope y'all enjoyed it. I'm Russ Jones with Smoky Ribs Barbecue.